This Christmas, let's turn your home into a warm, glowing holiday haven. Christmas decor is more than lights and ornaments. It's about creating a feeling, a sense of comfort, joy, and togetherness that fills every corner. Today, we're exploring simple yet beautiful Christmas home decor ideas that make your space feel festive, inviting, and full of holiday magic. We'll break it down into 3 key areas: decorating your main spaces, adding festive touches to small corners, and creating a warm holiday atmosphere throughout your home. Whether your style is classic, modern, or minimal, these ideas help you create the Christmas feeling you love. Start with the heart of your home, the main living areas. These are the spaces where family gathers, where memories are made, and where the holiday spirit comes alive. Add cozy layers, warm tones, and a few festive highlights to transform the atmosphere instantly. Balance comfort with style. Add softness, enhance natural light, and create a cozy focal point that makes the room feel welcoming from the moment you walk in. What's your favorite Christmas style? Cozy traditional, sparkling modern, or clean and minimal? Share your holiday vibe in the comments. Now it's time to bring holiday cheer into the smaller corners of your home. These little touches make the whole space feel connected and magical. Think simple accents, soft glows, and subtle decor that brighten quiet areas and hallways. Use combinations of textures, gentle lighting, and seasonal colors. These small moments of decor blend together to create a warm, cohesive holiday experience throughout your home. If these Christmas home decor ideas brought some festive cheer to your day, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves decorating for the holidays. The final step is creating the overall atmosphere: the warm glow, the cozy scent, the peaceful energy of Christmas. Soft illumination brings the season to life, giving your home that magical holiday sparkle. For more holiday decorating ideas, DIY projects, and cozy seasonal inspiration, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Add warmth through layers, textures, and simple decor choices. When everything works together, the lighting, the colors, the softness, your home becomes a Christmas retreat. And there you have it. Simple, stylish Christmas home decor ideas that make any space feel festive, warm, and full of holiday joy. With just a few thoughtful touches, your home transforms into a place of comfort and celebration. Love the decor pieces featured in this video? All the ornaments, lights, garlands, and accessories are linked in the description below. So this Christmas, decorate with heart, enjoy the process, and let your home shine with holiday magic. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!